Good morning, student. Now, that day actually I have sent that some videos, but it is observed that just 31 student observed that the video open the link. That is not good. Okay, that is those who will open with their names that will be come. Hmm? So it open it and see that first you subscribe that YouTube channel means what is the benefit of that subscription. So you can, when I will upload any video, you can see any video in the YouTube channel. Immediately you will get the message what videos I uploaded, so you can see easily. Okay, so subscribe that, then you can see that videos. Okay, that day this first question you have studied, second one also. Take the ratio of this first quantity with second, then convert this percentage into simplest form. Okay, then this ratio into percentage. This type of four questions we have taken. Now here this word problem, this fourth and sixth only you have to study. This seventh and eighth is omitted from this year for you. This the question not asked in the exam also. So from this 4 and 6 I will solve sixth one, fourth one you have to solve. Here the sixth one is based on inverse variation, means whatever you will take, that they take the multiplication of that first two quantity. Okay, and then say equal to second quantity, you know the variation. So I will solve this sixth one. Okay, this is somehow different, so I will solve this one. So see carefully, this is the example. Okay, so the ratio of the ages of Abba and her mother. If ratios given, so very first thing, this is what you have to find for C. Find the present ages of Abba and her mother, because the relation given what at the time of Abba's birth, means when Abba's uh, age is 0 years. Birth means there is no age, no. So just his birth is there. So her mother age was 27 years. Means when Abba's birth is there, that time her mother's age was 27. So find the present ages. The ratio of present age is given. So for very first thing you have to assume the common multiple. And so you write, let the common multiple of ratio be x. Okay, so present age of Abha. Okay, so present age of Abha is 2x years, ratio is 2, no? And her mother is 5x years. Okay, so using the ratio first you have to assume this part. So what the condition is given, this is present age. Okay, now at the birth time means now present age of her mother is 5x. Birth time means you have to subtract, this is present age now. Birth time, if you subtract this age of Abbas, that time her mother's age was 27. Understood or not? See, this is present age of Abba when it's subtracted from this one. So here this is 5x minus 2x. That time her mother's age was 27 years. So 5x minus this 2x is what? 3x is equal to 27. So 3 is multiplied when it goes that side, divide. So x is equal to 9. We know 3 9s are 27. This is the value of x. Now we have to find the present age. Therefore, present age of Abha is now, not B, is what we assume, that is 2x, means 2 multiply x is 9. So 18 years. And her mother what? 5x, means 5 multiply 9, it is 45 years. Okay, so this is the very important thing. Now here we will see this, these are the present ages of both Abha and her mother. So this exercise is finished. So next exercise you have to see. In the next exercise you have to compare the ratios. First one I will explain that. What is the comparison? C is this one. This part you have to understand first. Comparison of ratios. Okay. if these two ratios taken, A upon B is and C upon D. Okay, now this one, A upon B and C upon D means what? Here, that is, we assume that are the ratios of this comparison. So if the product of A and D, see here, A and D is greater than B and C, means when numerator is A, that side product is greater, then first ratio is greater. And if first product is smaller, same, then first ratio is smaller. If products are equal, means cross multiplication, these products are equal, then both ratios are equal. This is the comparison between these two ratios. Okay, so we'll see some example. So this exercise you have to study now. See here, this is fill in the blanks. We'll solve one by one question. So I will take one by one question here. Okay, you have to see carefully how to solve this one. So first one, here we'll see now. Second one, comparison. Okay, so first one, here we'll see example. 5 upon 7 equal to dash dash upon 28 equal to 35 upon dash dash equal to 3.5 dash dash. So we know in ratio there is one fixed relation. Okay, so what the ratio here 5 upon 7, all are equal now, all are equal, means what the ratio here, first one we consider 5 upon 7 equal to this one given what, 28. Okay, so means here what the relation between these two, 7 4s are 28. If this one increase by 4 times, so this is also increase 4 times, so 5 4s are 20. So first blank is what, 20 come. Same here, here see this relation 35. Okay, so 5 and 35, what the relation here? Okay, 5 7s are, so here also you have to multiply by 7, 7 7s are 49. So here your next answer come 49. Third one, 5 upon 7 is equal to, here given 3.5. so see, this is the half of this, means you multiply this one 1 upon 2. So here also you have to multiply 1 upon 2. Half of 7 is 3.5, no? So half of 5 is what? 2.5. So here your answer is 2.5. Like this, you have to complete this second one. Afterward, I will send the photocopy. Okay. Then next one, find the following ratios. One example. On each one, I will take one example. Okay. You have to solve remaining. If any doubt, you can ask me. So the first example given, the ratio of radius to circumference of circle. See, circumference of circle. Now we know here they are not given the values. Okay, so here you have to take, let R be the radius. We know we shown that radius is R be the radius of circle. We shown radius by using the letter R. Then therefore circumference, what is the formula? By considering radius 2 pi r. Pi d also, but here we have to consider radius. What we have to take? Ratio of radius means r with circumference means 2 pi r. R is to 2 pi r. So r is to 2 pi r means r upon 2 pi r. What is cancel here? R is cancelled. So what remain? 1 upon 2 pi means ratio is what? 1 is to 2 pi. This is the answer. Remaining example like that you have to solve. Then this question we'll see now. See. Compare the following pairs of ratios. Now just I have explained that before that. You have to write that cross multiplication like that. Here two example will solve on this one. Next example, compare. Okay, ratios. So first example will take root 5 upon 3 and 3 upon root 7. Okay, so now here you have to compare, means what? You have to take the cross multiplication. Root 5 into root 7. Okay, so what is it? Root 35. Then here 3 multiply 3, it is 9. This value given in root, this is given separate, so write in root. How to write? You already have studied in the certs. 9 goes with the square root, it is what? 81, because square root of 81 is got 9, means we can write this 9 also root 81. Okay, so now you can compare this 35 and 81. Tell me which one is greater? 81 is greater. So if 81 is greater, means what greater? 3 3s are 9, means this 3 3s are. Okay, so what then? Root 5 upon 3. So first is smaller than second one, 3 upon root 7. Okay, this is one example we have taken. So another one we'll take somehow different example. Suppose then here we'll take root 80 and root 48, and here root 45, root 27. Just you have to take cross multiplication. There is not anything different. Okay, very simple examples. So now here we'll take root 80. First we'll convert it into any factor is there whose perfect square of this 80. 10 8 is 80. Okay, but 8 is not perfect square, 10 is also not a perfect square. So what you have to take? Just think about that. Which one is you have to take the root for that? Can you judge that? What is that? Root 16 5 is 80. 16 is a perfect square. Okay, 16 3 is 48. Okay, then here 9 5 is 45. Just we taken this product, but one number should be perfect square, bigger number. 27. 9 3 is 27. Just take the root of this 16. 4 come outside, inside 5. Here 4 come outside, inside 3. Here 3 come outside, square root of 9. Here 5. Here 3 come outside, here 3. Square root of 9, 3. And this 3 is remain. So now if we see this one, we can cut it 4 4. Okay, simplest form. So what remain? Root 5 upon 3. Here also root 5 upon 3. So what you can say? Equal or not? Yes. So here we can say therefore root 5 upon 3 is equal to root 5 upon root 3, because both are same number. Okay, so here you can say root 80 upon root 48, okay, is equal to root 45 upon root 27. Clear it? Okay, this is the example. So now we'll see some different example. What do you have to find? So fourth one, just one question we'll see now from fourth one. See here, fourth one. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. So the ratio of AB 5:4. Find the measure of angle B, and the ratio of percentages of Albert and Salim is 5:9. 5 years hence ratio of their ages will be 3:5. Find the present ages. Just there are so many examples. So we'll take two examples. The second maybe you feel different one. So second I will solve, and then first one you have to see. Okay. So we'll see now second example from this. Okay. Second is what? The ratio of present ages of Albert and Salim is 5:9. 5 years hence ratio of their ages will be ages will be 3:5. Find their present ages. Okay, so we will see the example on this one. So first one, already I have told you, if ratio is given, then you have to assume the common multiple for that ratio. So what is your first step? Let the common multiple of ratio be x. So therefore present age, okay, first Albert B, what is the ratio? 5. So 5x years, and present age of Salim B, 9x years. Okay, 9x years. What the condition is given? 5 years hence. 5 years hence means after 5 years. What is the age of Albert then? Suppose your age is today 10 years. After 5 years, what is your age? 15 now. Means you have to add 5 there. So therefore Albert age, when 5 years hence, Albert age is equal to his present age is Albert's 5x. So after 5 years plus 5 years, and after 5 years Salim's age is 9x present, so 9x plus 5 years. Okay, that time if we take the ratio of this one, 5x plus 5 upon 9x plus 5, after 5 years, if we take the ratio, that ratio is what come? 3:5 means 3 upon 5. Okay, so now we have to find the value of x here. So taking cross multiplication, 5 multiply 5x plus 5, and this side 3 multiply to this bracket 9x plus 5. So multiply it. 5 5s are 25x plus 5 5s are 25. 3 9s are 27x plus 3 5s are 15. Which side x is greater? 25, 27, 27. So we keep this 27x as it is, take this 25, that side it become minus. This 25 as it is, take this 15, left side it become minus. 25 minus 15, 10. 27, this one minus 25, 2. 2 is multiply, when it come left side, divide. So what is x? X is 5. So we found the value of x only. Now what we have to find? Their present ages. So therefore present age of Albert now. His present is what we assume? 5x. So 5 into 5, 25 years. Okay, and Salim is equal to 9x, means 9 into 5, 45 years. So this is the answer. Okay, so some more example we have to see from this one. Okay, just 5, 6, 7 examples are given. So first one we'll see in the next video. I will solve that one, so easily you can see in the next video.